How to restrict access to Google Forms. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how we can actually restrict access so that only specific people will be able to fill it. Now I'm going to show you step by step, and this is actually going to be very extremely easy, so just go ahead and follow along. Now first, before we begin, you will need to have some sort of information that they could also know. So for example, you want only 5 people to be able to fill this form. Then you should either have like their phone numbers or their email addresses. So something that you can, know them by, basically. And then we can just go ahead and move on to creating a new blank form. So you want to just go ahead and create a blank form. Or if you have a form already, just follow along. It's going to be the same thing. Now I'm just going to name it verify yourself. And then we want basically the first question is to be the verifier. So you want to just go ahead and add something like email address or phone number. I'm just going to do phone number because it's easier for me to write numbers. And basically you want to go to the short answer text here and make sure it is actually a short answer text. And then you want to click on more options here, the 3 dots. And then you want to click on response validation. Once you click on response validation, you want to basically click on the first option here, which should be number, and you want it to basically make it regular expression. And once you do that, the next one you will need to make matches. So make sure it is regular expression matches. Basically, this means that the answer should be matching with the items that you put ahead. So how do we actually add phone numbers here? So first you would want to obviously ask them for their phone numbers, and then you would want to basically add them here. So let's add the first one. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you want to separate them with this vertical line sort of thing. It is, for me in my keyboard, it is pretty much with the backslash. I'm not sure if it's the same for you or not. Just go ahead and find this this right here. It's pretty much a vertical line. This one right here is going to be the thing that separates between the numbers without any spaces, without anything. So just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertical line, and then you can just go ahead and add another number here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7 instead. And let's just do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. So these 3 numbers are pretty much allowed to continue on with the questions ahead, and otherwise it's not going to allow them to enter. Next, you will enter the custom error text. Basically, if they enter a wrong number, what's going to appear for them? Sorry, you're not in the list, or something along the lines. Now this, we want to basically be the verifier, and then we can just go ahead and jump into the form itself. So how do we actually just make it so that the form starts after this? So basically you want to add a section, and you want to make sure that it says after section 1 go to section 2. Great. So now that we have this, we can just go ahead and name it questions or something, and then you can feel free to just create the form as you like ahead. So let's just go ahead and create one question here, sample, and then option 1, option 2, and I think that's enough. Now for settings here, you can also go ahead and collect emails if you would like from responses. I'm just going to turn it off just so I can show you how it's actually going to work. And we are pretty much set now. So what we need to do is just go ahead and send it to ourselves, copy the link. Let's just open it up in a new tab. And now you can see we can't see the questions below, but we will need to verify ourselves first with the phone number. So if I answer something like not included, so let's just do 987654321, which I did not add, and click on next, it's going to tell me sorry, you're not in the list. But if I do something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I click on next, then it's actually just going to take me to the questions, and then I can just feel free to submit. Same goes for the other numbers here. So if I just replace the 8 with another 7, it's going to allow me to. And again, if I just add a completely random number here and click on next, it's not going to allow me to continue. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.